And then at nighttime when you flip the switch on, give it a second there, and that's what it's going to look like. What's up, guys? We're here again today, HardRacing, working on our rigid What's Inside the Box series. And today we're got the rigid SAE light bar. This is a little bit different than the SR series. It is an SR series, but it's an SAE version of it. So we're going to do a special video on this one because there is some different stuff in it. So this is what you get inside the box. They come in different length size bars. Obviously check out our website for more details on that. But what we're going to show you right now is what comes in the box. So you get obviously the light bar. It's a unique one. It's got the rigid logo on it. And this is a two-stage light bar. So the biggest thing SAE does is it is a defined cutoff. So basically when you see the light projected out, instead of a flood where it just goes everywhere, it's got a specific beam pattern so that you can use it on the street and not be blinding oncoming traffic. What's really cool, and we'll show you a video in a second of what it looks like, but basically this all here can be backlit in the stage 1, and then the stage 2, when you turn it on full power, then these get super bright for obviously nighttime. But basically you have like a daytime running version where these kind of backlight and the logo backlights looks really cool. And so what makes this different, obviously the wiring on it. So it's a much larger, more complete wire harness because it's got that two-stage system. So you have two relays, one for the basically the running light version of it, and then one for the full output version of it. And then you have all the wires connecting to your multi-way toggle switch that's also LED, and it's a 3-pin Deutsch connector and 3-pin at the end of the light. And basically that is so that you have power going for your initial running light version, and then you have power going for your full-on power for nighttime vision. So it's pretty cool. You also get two different length brackets, long ones and short ones, and then of course all the hardware as well, stainless steel hardware. And that's everything that comes in this kit. Now we'll show you what it looks like when it's on. Alright, so this is what the light looks like in standby mode, or basically running lights. Enough to see during the daylight, but it's not full on blast. You get a nice cool rigid logo there in the middle. And then at nighttime when you flip the switch on, give it a second there, and that's what it's going to look like. Again, it's hard to see with camera. The optics just don't do it justice compared to what you see in your eyes. And then with it turned off, give you a little bit better idea what it looks like. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed our video. Please go ahead and remember, we're going to make more, so click the subscribe button and the little bell icon next to it so you get notified when we make more videos. And please drop a comment below. We appreciate your feedback, positive or negative. All feedback is welcome. And of course, if you have any interest in any rigid products, be sure to send us an email. We have coupon codes available, help you out on that. And you can also give us a call, send us an email, check out our website, and we'll get you taken care of, HardRacing.com.